Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learning Anytime Anywhere. In our previous phonics video we have learnt about long vowel I sound, and in our today's phonics video we will learn about long vowel O sound. So let's start. So when we did CVC words related to O, the words were like ought, not, ought, not. So here the sound of letter O is short because between two consonants there is only one vowel. This is a CVC word. So like in all other vowels, here also when two consonants are there and there is only one vowel, this vowel is scared. So it is picking out its short sound only. So it is not, not. And when one more vowel will come with this word like this, now what will happen? Let's see. So this vowel E will say to O, oh my friend, don't worry, I'll give you my energy and make you a long sound. That is the magic of letter E. So it will give the entire energy to O and make it a long sound. That is its letter name. O, O, note, note. Like we note something, or a note of 10 rupees, 100 rupees. So this is magic E, because E itself will become silent and give the entire power to O and make it a long sound. Not, note. Let's see more words of this sound. So let's read this word. T-O-R, tor, tor. E will be silent. E will be silent and O will speak the letter name. Now here you can see I have put 3 sound buttons because there are 3 sounds in this word. T, O, R, tor. And the more words can be like O, R, B, O, N, bone, B, O, N, bone, K, O, N, cone, K, O, N, cone. So, what is the rule for this? What is the rhyme for this? When two vowels go walking, second becomes silent and first does the talking. So here E will become silent and O will speak the letter name, that is the long sound. So here the first rule of long vowel O sound is between O and E there is one consonant. If between O and E there is one consonant, E will be silent and O will speak the letter name. So this is called the magic E rule. We had this magic E rule for A also and I also. So magic E rule says when between O and E there is one consonant, then letter E will be silent and O will speak the letter name. Let's see more rules in which letter O takes out the long sound. So the second rule is when vowel O and A are together. Again it will follow the same rule. When two vowels go walking, second becomes silent and first does the talking. So entire talking will be done by letter O. That also the long sound, that is letter name. Let's see the examples of it. So the examples are like B, boat, boat. Here, first sound is of letter B, that is B. O, A will become silent because A will give the entire energy to letter O and make it a long sound. So, the third sound is of letter T. B, O, T. Boat, boat. The more examples are like K, O, T. Coat, K, O, T. Coat. O, foam, O, foam, T, O, D, Toad, R, O, D, road. So the second rule is when O and A are together, A will become silent and O will speak the long sound. Now let's see the third rule where vowel O gives out the long sound. So the third rule is when vowel O and E are together. Again it will be the same rule. E will give the entire energy to O and make it the long sound. So let's see the words. The words are like T, O, toe. So here E will be silent and O will speak the long sound. The long sound. Letter E will be silent. So how many sounds are there in this word? Only two. T, O, toe. T, O, toe. The next words are like O, fo. So only two sounds. O, fo. One more example is like D, O, do. D, O, do. So overall, long vowel O sound has three rules. The first rule is when between O and E there is a consonant, O will take out the long sound, and this rule is called magic E rule. Second rule is when vowel O and A are together, A will give the entire energy to O and make it a long sound like B, O, T, boat. A will not speak. The third rule is when vowel O and E are together, E will give the entire energy to O and make it a long sound like T, O, toe, and E will not speak. So when two vowels go walking, second becomes silent and first does the talking. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more such informative videos, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.